What's up, YouTube? I am here at Holiday Inn Club Vacations Desert Club in Las Vegas. The resort is close to Flamingo and Koval, the corner where Tupac was famously shot. It's about 2.5 blocks east of the Strip. Almost a walkable distance, but I'm here for the week of the 4th of July, so it's 114 degrees, so there will be no walking of 2.5 blocks. But anyways, I'm just gonna give you a quick room tour. So yeah, here we go. All right, so I have a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, full kitchen. And I don't know if it's my phone, but it seems like the light gives off like a weird orange tint, or maybe it's just because I'm filming at 5 a.m. But pretty decent decor. And again, we do have a full kitchen. Like a lot of resorts, it has all the utensils, all that good stuff. Never mind the watermelon and and the cooking oil. I bought that. The resort does not supply food, or at least not for free for the room. But just like a lot of resorts, you got all of your basics. Trash, utensils, glasses, you know, all that good stuff that comes with a normal resort. Got some essentials from Target. But yeah, you know, nice decor. Nothing too crazy over the top. Little utility closet. It's the first bathroom. Walk-in shower. Now, one thing that it's not bad, but I don't like bedrooms that are back to back like that. You know, some resorts will have the bedrooms on opposite ends, which I think is better, you know, so from a noise standpoint. I do like that both of the bedrooms have walk-in closets. I know a lot of, if I'm being sexist, I know a lot of the women will like that, but I also like it. TV in both bedrooms. My building number 6, is right across from the check-in area where they got a restaurant and the pool, so. And we have main bedroom. They did make up the bed. I'm filming this one night in, so excuse the, but I did sleep in the bed, so that's why it's not made up, but it was very, very tightly tucked in when I first got here. Big walk-in closet for the second bedroom. Again, I got some of my shit here already, so excuse that. TV. And big bathroom area. Great water pressure on the shower. And you got the bathroom. But yeah, overall I like the room. Oh, also, let me show you the washer dryer. All of the 2 bedrooms do have washer dryers. At first, I actually thought it didn't have one, but I realized it was actually on the balcony. Again, washer dryer. They do supply detergent. But I guess it's good it's out here on the balcony. It keeps the noise down, kind of away from the main room or the living room. A little balcony. You know, some resorts in Vegas don't have balconies. You know, I don't know what the laws is around that, but I think there's some type of law with resorts having balconies if it's over a certain height, maybe. But I don't know. Maybe one of you guys can Google that for me. But here's a nice shot of the pool area. Wasn't really hard to find the room. It's not a insanely large property. Check-in was pretty easy. Staff was really nice. They sent me text messages to make sure I checked in and if I needed anything. So customer service all top notch. But I like the unit. Again, very close to the Strip. If you want a resort that's close to the Strip, this is a good one to go with. There is no shuttle, so if you do want to go to the Strip, there is no free shuttle. You're gonna have to do ride share or get your own other accommodations. But yeah. All right, and that's about it. Just a quick room tour. I hope this helped. Please like and subscribe, and we'll talk to you later.